1. For sale is a 1979 Mercedes-Benz SL Class with a price of $2,000. This car is currently in a condition different from the original and is a 450 SLC model released in 1979. The car has a problem with the cylinder head gasket, which may require engine repairs. However, this provides an opportunity for the potential owner to restore the car and return it to its original condition. The car has a manual transmission, which adds an element of handling and sportiness to driving. It is also equipped with European bumpers and includes European headlights stored in a box. This 1979 Mercedes-Benz SL Class is a project for an enthusiast who is ready to invest efforts and resources in the restoration of this iconic car. The owner is given the opportunity to turn it into a classic return to style and elegance. 2. For sale is a 1981 Volkswagen Jetta with a price of $7,400. This car is currently in excellent condition and is a rare two-door Jetta from 1981. The car has no signs of serious accidents or body damage, which makes it an attractive option for collectors and fans of old cars. The interior is also in excellent condition. What makes this Jetta even more interesting is the updated 16-valve engine, which provides good performance and power. The car is equipped with a 5+-or transmission, which adds a sporty character and makes driving fun. Additionally, the car has a powerful audio system installed, which adds sound quality when traveling. The native discs in the photos are no longer installed. Instead, there are BBS discs with a diameter of 15 inches with good tires. This 1981 Volkswagen Jetta is a wonderful specimen in good condition and with interesting improvements, which makes it attractive to those who appreciate classic cars. 3. For sale is a 1975 Chevrolet El Camino with a price of $7,800. This car is currently in working order, and it has a lot of potential for improvements and restoration. The car is equipped with an SBC 350 engine and an automatic transmission Turbo 350. It has a clean title and updated license plates, which ensures its legality for traffic. The car requires some bodywork, especially on the front bumper, which was damaged by a collision in the store. However, he still works and drives. A good tuning and replacement of the brake booster is required, since the brakes do not work as they should. The interior requires small improvements and works. Windows need to be connected to be able to lower and raise them. The owner also installed additional audio equipment, including a touchscreen, two 12-inch subwoofers, and various speakers and amplifiers. This 1975 Chevrolet El Camino is a great opportunity for those looking for a project that can be restored and improved. With effort and investment, it can become a great car, ready for adventure and summer enjoyment. 4. For sale is a 1971 Plymouth Scamp with a price of $7,900. This car is currently in good working condition and is a great option for fans of classic cars. The car is equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. It is also equipped with factory air conditioning, which makes it more comfortable in hot weather. This Plymouth Scamp has an excellent body without signs of rust, which makes it a desirable car for collectors. It was painted red using base coat paint and transparent coating. However, polishing is required, as it is an Earl Sheeb type paint. The car comes with some additional parts and moldings in the trunk. Despite the fact that the odometer shows a possible 111,400 miles, the exact number of miles is unknown. The only missing element is the front bumper and grille. The owner has a clean title, and the car is located in Carson City, Nevada. This 1971 Plymouth Scamp is an attractive car for those who appreciate classic cars and are looking for a reliable and stylish option for daily driving or collecting. 5. A rare 1982 Mercedes-Benz 240D with a price of $6,500 is for sale. This car is currently in excellent condition and is an interesting option for collectors and connoisseurs of classic cars. The exterior and interior of the car are in excellent condition. It comes with an original guidebook, a spare wheel, and 2 sets of keys. This car has been stored in the garage for most of its life, which contributed to its safety. The car was given to the owner by his grandfather as a graduation gift. It has minor scuffs, and a small part of the rear bumper has been repainted, as seen in the photos. The car is working, but there is a small problem with the vacuum pump. It probably needs to be replaced. Currently, to turn off the car, you need to do it manually by opening the hood. and the gear shift is a bit stiff. Despite this, there were no collisions, and everything in the car is original. Potential buyers can come and inspect the car in person, as well as conduct a test drive. This 1982 Mercedes-Benz 240D is a unique offer for those who are looking for a classic car with a history and a caring owner. 6. A 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air Base project car with a price of $6,000 is presented for sale. This car is currently in the state of a project and may be of interest to enthusiasts who are willing to invest efforts in its restoration. The car is equipped with a 283 kW V8 engine with a 4-chamber carburetor and a 2-speed automatic transmission. It works and moves, but it is recommended to transport it over long distances on a trailer because of the need to replace the brakes. This car does not have power steering, hydraulic brakes, or air conditioning. On the body, there is some rust on the rear fenders, front fenders, and one rusty hole in the front right side of the cabin. The trunk has only surface rust without holes. The front seat needs to be tightened, but the ceiling upholstery is in good condition. The car does not start with a key and requires the use of a remote control for remote start. It should be noted that this is a project car and is not intended for everyday driving. The sale is carried out only for cash, and the exchange is not considered. This 1962 Chevrolet Bel Air Base may be of interest to those who are looking for a project to restore and customize to their liking. 7. For sale is a 1984 Chevrolet Corvette with a price of $7,500. This car is currently ready for a new owner and can provide a number of advantages in driving pleasure. This Chevrolet Corvette is equipped with many additional options and accessories, which makes it more comfortable and functional. The car works very hard and strongly, which adds to the pleasure of driving. Recently, new tires and a new battery have been installed, which guarantees reliability and safety when driving. This particular car even belonged to a little old lady, which may indicate its careful handling and good condition. This year of release, 1984, was marked by the introduction of the C4 Chevrolet Corvette model. This means that you will get a modern style and technology that have made this model popular among motorists. If you are looking for a sports car with a good history and modern amenities, this 1984 Chevrolet Corvette may be of interest to you. 8. I present to you the 1985 Lincoln Town Car Signature Sedan 4D, which is now available at a price of $5,500. This car is in excellent working condition and offers several advantages for the future owner. The car has recently been thoroughly cleaned both outside and inside, which gives it a fresh and well-groomed appearance. It has also passed a recent inspection and is devoid of any security-related issues. The following updates were made: new battery, fuel pump, engine tuning, and coolant replacement. It is important to note that the air conditioner is working and the tires are in good condition with no signs of drying out. However, it should be noted that the heating system does not work, and this requires replacing the heating element. All other functions, including electric windows and central locking of doors, are in working order. This car has 2 previous owners and was stored in the garage, which may indicate careful handling. Externally, the car has minor defects, such as a dent on the front fender of the driver's side and a scratch on the primer of the front passenger door. However, this does not affect its overall functional status. The vehicle has a 5.0-liter engine and has recently been tested for compliance with environmental standards. If you are looking for a comfortable and reliable car with some minor designs, the 1985 Lincoln Town Car Signature Sedan 4D may be the perfect choice for you. 9. I present to you the 1966 Ford Mustang, which is currently available for sale at a price of $5,600. This car is a project that was purchased for the purpose of restoration, but due to a change in circumstances, the owner is no longer able to continue work. The car is sold as is, and it needs restoration. However, it is currently functioning and can be wound up, although it does not have brakes. This Mustang is equipped with a 6-shaft engine. The car comes with a lot of additional external parts, including the hood, trunk doors, headlights, and much more. The car has a problem with exhaust gas leakage, but the owner has a new intake manifold. It is important to note that the car has a clean title, which makes its sale legal. If you are looking for a project to restore the legendary 1966 Ford Mustang and are ready to undertake restoration work, this car may be an excellent choice. The owner sells it in the hope that he will find a new owner who will return this Mustang to its former glory. 10. We present to you the 1971 Volkswagen Beetle, which is currently available for sale at a price of $6,000. This car remained inside the family and the owner tried to keep it in good condition, but now he has no time for maintenance. The car has a scheduled brake replacement, including the brake cylinder, and the owner has scheduled this procedure for November 20. However, the rear drum brakes are jammed due to prolonged parking of the car, so towing will be required to move it. The owner also includes several spare parts for sale. The car is equipped with an aftermarket radio system, but after changing the battery there were problems with the sound of the radio. If you are interested in a 1971 Volkswagen Beetle and are willing to take on brake replacement and other necessary maintenance work, this car may present a good opportunity. His background within the family in good condition make him an attractive choice for collectors and Volkswagen enthusiasts.